was raised out in the wild upon the desert strand. Took my classes on the wireless in Dreamtime Land. We lived 300 miles southwest of Barrow Creek, where I learned the family business, which was quite unique. Dad told me sheep don't like the sand and crops don't seem to take. In a land where all that grows are dingoes, flies and snakes. So take what the land gives to you, son. If it's spinifex and brambles, then we'll forget the sheep and make our living counting camels.
Counting camels in the desert sun. Counting every single one. The dingo and the taipan are a threat, my son.
So I'll keep on counting camels till the day is done. Now Dad, he was the breeder, and me mum his office staff. Sis milked the lady camels and combed out all her calves. My job was just a shepherd, watching o'er the camel flock, and I watched them with an eagle eye as I counted round the clock.
Counting camels in the desert sun. Your brain gets really scrambled when the temp is 41. Remember that to hump, only count as one.
When you are counting camels in the desert sun. Now I'm a grown-up bushman out beyond the old black stump, with the coobras pasted to me head and saddles neath me rump. But me mount is not a stallion, though he is a real beaut. I've ridden him since I was a boy, he's better than a ute. I can load him down with all my gear, including the kitchen sink. Then I ride him across the desert sands without a pause to drink. Well, when I get to where I'm going, all the locals give a toast, 'cause they've never seen a camel tied up to their hitching post.
Counting camels in the desert sun. Counting's pretty easy now. There's only one, but no horse could set up to a 10-day desert run.
So I'll keep counting on my camel till my days are done. Sometimes I miss the desert when I try to get to sleep, but I don't waste my time counting wimpy little sheep. 'Cause I'm a man who's crossed the Nullarbor and Tanami, and there's only one animal fit for a desert lullaby.
Counting camels in the desert sun. Counting every single one. The dingo and the taipan are a threat, my son.
So keep on counting camels till the day is done. Counting camels when I close my eyes. Counting camels neath the starry skies. I'll soon drift off to sleep, and then I'll realize that God can keep the count until the next sunrise.
Counting camels in the desert sun. Your brain gets really scrambled when the temp is 41. Remember that to hump, only count as one.
When you are counting camels in the desert.